On the menu today we have Bitterleaf soup, also known as OFE ONUGBO. It is popular to the Igbo tribe of eastern Nigeria. Rich and very delicious soup. Hello lovelies, let's get started. First I will air fry my mackerel fish. I like to add mackerel fish because it enhances the taste of the soup. I'm going to add all-purpose seasoning, rub it in, secure the fish like this with a toothpick, transfer in my air fryer for 15 to 20 minutes. Over here are my assorted meat which I have started cooking already. Goat meat, stripe and cow foot. I'm going to add my stock fish and allow it to cook. I will go ahead and cook my cocoyam as well. While that is cooking, I present to you my other ingredients: crayfish, ogiri Igbo, very important in bitterleaf soup, scotch bonnet pepper and smoked catfish. I'm going to blend my crayfish and scotch bonnet pepper and set aside. At this time, I check on the cocoyam and it's soft. I'm going to blend it. You can also pound it with your mortar. Once that is done, I will check on the proteins. Meanwhile, my bitterleaf is on fire. I'm going to allow it to come to a boil. Next, I will sieve it to reduce the bitterness. To continue with the soup, I will add my blended crayfish, scotch bonnet pepper and ogiri Igbo. I will add palm oil at this time as well as my blended cocoyam. Add more water depending on the quantity of soup you are making. I'm going to stir, cover and allow it to cook for at least 10 to 12 minutes on a medium to high heat. At this time, I check on my mackerel fish and it's ready. I'm going to bring it out and debone it. You guys, this is where you apply your self-control. Otherwise, you will finish the fish because the fish is so tasty. 12 minutes later, I check on the soup and love the consistency. Next, I will add my bitterleaf, seasoning powder and mackerel fish. I'm going to stir very well to combine, cover and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on a medium heat. 5 minutes later, our soup is ready. It turned out really delicious and is best paired with pounded yam or fufu. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.